Hello, dear students. I hope you all are safe and well at your home. This is our English class. I hope you all are preparing well for your examinations. Our examinations will start soon, means 1st April, our first paper as MCQs base. You have to tick answer only. I hope you all attended our demo classes. मीन्स आपको हमने प्रैक्टिस के लिए जो पेपर लिया था उसमें आपने अटेम्प्ट करके हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट अ पेपर यू लर्न दैट. एंड आवर सिलेबस इज दैट chapter 9, that grammar is remaining. How to make a questions. If statement is I read a lot, do you read a lot? I, you, they, we use do, don't, and he, she, it, they, he, she, it, we use does. Okay. I read a lot, I is there, so we use do you read a lot? Question. Statement, I wear glasses, do you wear glasses? This type of question you have to make for this exercise. Exercise A I taken from your textbook only. Write a questions of these for these answers. Do you meet Sushma at school every day? Okay, yes, I meet Sushma at school every day. Okay, yes, Maya likes to dance. Maya, does Maya like to dance? Question mark should be there. No, I do not like to eat spicy foods. Do you like to eat spicy foods? Yes, Sheetal goes to school by bus. Does Sheetal goes to school by bus? Question mark. No, our neighbors has only one car. Does your neighbors have many cars? Question papers. These type of questions you have to make. Now conjunctions are there. Read these sentences. Amma came home from the temple and saw Geeta in the kitchen. Geeta forgot many things, but she remembered to add salt to the sambar. See here, and but are in dark in blue color. These are called a conjunction. The words and, but, and, or, at are conjunction. We use them to connect parts of sentences. If we have a part, that part we will connect with these words. Which words? And, but, or, at are called a conjunction. See here, I enjoy reading books, okay, and I buy many of them. We are connecting two sentences there. I like books, but I don't like newspaper. I read a lot, yet I don't get tired. You can eat the apples or the oranges. Okay. Now here this exercise from your textbook only. Picture is not clear, so you have to use your textbook for this. I like to get up early and go for morning walk. We were ready on the time, but we still missed our bus. Raghav is bright student, yet or but he does not score good marks. Okay. Dinesh enjoy western music and he has a good CD collections. I don't know if Amma will be at home or not in the evening. Okay, these words are conjunction words. Vocabulary is there. You have to add full, les, less, forgetful, careless, hopeless, beautiful. The letters full or less form suffix help us make a new words. Sometimes there will be a change in the spelling of the new word. Okay, after adding the word we will call a suffix. Before adding the call we will call a prefix, but you will learn this time only suffix. Add full or less to these words to make a new words. Okay, so Some words are here. It's from your textbook only. Careful, careful. Peaceful, peaceful. Noiseless, noiseless. Spotless, spotless. Cheerful, cheerful. Okay? Careful, noiseless, peaceful, cheerful. Now, from your revision sheet, I completed your revision sheet. You have to copy this work in your revision sheet. Here statement is there. You have to make a question. Frame a question from the following answer. Yes, he wins all the time. Does he win all the time? No, I don't speak Chinese. Do you speak Chinese? No, he did not act well in the play. Did he act well in the play? Did they enjoy the ice cream? Yes, they enjoyed the ice cream. Both are there. Question and statement is there. You have to copy. Yes, she parks her car in front of in my house. Does she park her car in front of your house? This is your grammar section. Vocabulary: thankful, harmful, careless, endless, colorful, sleepless, weightless, hopeful, noiseless. Okay. Now come to the chapter number 10, the Gir Forest Trail. Why we are reading this chapter? To understand need to protect our forest. Okay, we have to protect our nature and we have to stop deforestation. This is called a forest caring. Okay, I already spoke about this. What are the sanctuaries and national park? This is about our national park. Gir National Park is at Gujarat. Answer in brief. Who is in charge of? In this chapter, we are going to learn about lions. Asiatic lions, only the place of that lions, whole world we will get a chance to see that animal in only Gir Forest. Okay, I hope you all will visit there. Who is in charge of pride? Lioness are in charge of pride. What are the young ones called? The young ones are called cub. What else is found in the Gir Forest? We found child, chital, crate in Gir Forest. What scared the crate? Chital scared the crate. How does the crate tongue help? Crate tongue help them to sniff. What is the male chital called? Male chital is called dove. See here, this scene passage is not clear in my this picture. You have to open that scene passage page, then only you will get what I am reading here. So please open your revision sheet, then you have to listen this. Page number 105, I think. Open page number 105 and read the scene passage. Can you see the chital with antlers? That is a male or a stag. Don't his antlers look like branches of a tree? The female called a dove does not have any antlers. The baby or the fawn looks like his mother. He wishes he had antlers, but they will begin to grow only after he is little older. Okay, it's about our antlers, means chitals. See here, dears, in my first question here I did a mistake, so sorry for that. Here we have male is called a stag. Okay, here you have to write answer. STAG, stag. That is answer, stag. Okay. Now questions are here. Which type of chital you can see in Gir Forest? Which type of chital you can see in Gir Forest? Can you see the chital with antlers? We can see the antlers, chital with antlers in Gir forest. How does chital antlers look? Chital's antlers look like a branches of trees. Okay, write the two plurals, trees and antlers, opposites male, female, before, after. Matching, word matching is there. Trial, protected area, herd and leaping. Okay, first one is C, second one is D, third one is B and fourth one is A. I hope you all will do this work in your revision sheet. Now, this work you have to complete in your revision sheet. If you have any question, you have to call me at 5 to 7 in between evening. My phone number I am going to write here. My number is 830-630-40003. Okay, I hope everyone will remember. If any question is there, you have to ask me about your examination. If you have okay, listen children, we already sent your roll number. You have to write compulsory your section and roll number in your exam paper, because you have, if your name is for example Heth, in our section many Heths are there. First, third A Heth, second third B is Heth. You have to write full name, means Vijayashri Shastri. With a surname you have to write that one, and you have to mention your roll number and section in your that paper. I hope you all will do it properly. If any confusion is there, you have to call me 5 to 7. Okay, take care. Bye bye.